Hi everyone, this is Phoebe Tonosaki here. Today I'm going to show you some storage tips. So we use a collection, and then next thing we know we will have a lot of these bits and bytes. First cutting, and then the package after few opens, and then it will damage. So I always make some pockets like this and in different size. So today I want to show you to create one of this, and there are different size here, so I'm going to list it in my blog post as well. So there are big ones, okay, so you can put them inside. And the point is, this is very flexible. You just need to create one that you are happy with. So this is create with tiny pieces leftovers after making an album. So this is perfect and cute, and then everything will be in one area. Okay, no one will be left out. So I am going to show you this. So this is a piece of design paper, and our graphic 45 paper is perfect because it is not too thick, just enough, and you don't need cardstock because easy and fast is what we aim for. So the size is here, and we are scoring this line and this line, and then finally this line. So, and then we will be cutting this corner. We don't need it. Alright? So it will be score this line, and this line. Then cut it here. After that, do not glue it yet because we want to make an empty hole here. So we will be using the graphic 45 dies, and this is the perfect size. You can find big ones for bigger pockets and small one for small pockets. Okay, so I already did it like this, so keep this one because we will use it later. So now is the time. We need a piece of transparent sheets, flimsy sheets. Any sheets is gonna be okay, just like this one. Okay, if the package is broken, you can use it. Why not? Because after all, it cannot hold the paper anymore. So I'm going to just make sure it covers the shape, and then we can use glue to glue the, just like this. Okay, after it goes, no one will be seeing it. So the next step is to add glue on here. And then add glue on here. Okay, so it will be like this. It will be needing some trim. Just freehand is perfect. Then one last thing we need is a closure, and I have listed a few size of the height here, so it is up to you. Big enough to close it so the content wouldn't come out, but small enough to not hide the shape. Okay, and then you can always pick the same paper or some other for better visual. So I am going to glue it on the inside, which will be here. Then we have a pocket ready for you. So what about this one? So you can put it like this, or you can use this with the paper here. The positive and negative is up to you. And I'm just going to put it here. Then we have a pocket ready. So it is fun and convenience. And then if you go to a crop party, you just need to pick one or two or a few of this, and no need to pick the whole package and everything. And then pocket in pockets is always look great. All right, so this is the project I want to share today. A simple and fun storage idea. I hope you like it. Bye bye.